Hi friends, welcome to this pre-market analysis of Nifty, the last one for the year, where we try to make informed guesses of where buyers and sellers are. A lot has changed because we have reached the close of a monthly candle, and this is Nifty on a monthly time frame, and as you can see, it is still bullish. Why is it bullish? Because this low that was created in August has not been tested till date. So this low is higher than the previous low that was created in April. It just signifies that buyers had been buying at higher levels with confidence. It's in a very large time frame. I don't know how useful it is from a trader's point of view. If you're trading in long-term options and futures, then this might be useful. So on a monthly time frame, it is still bullish. Important levels to mark is the previous all-time high. I am marking it in red color. These are where still the big sellers are. Important support level is previous swing high and previous swing low. I will mark both these in green color. Going over to the weekly time frame, the bias I had marked yesterday is not sure. Now, why is it not sure? Because here is a swing low and then here is another swing low. Ideally, for a bullish trend to sustain, this swing low should have been sustained, which is not what has happened. This low has been taken. Taken means it does not, when I say a low or a high has been taken, it does not mean there's a close below a higher low. Even a wick is fine. Even that wick should not have happened. Now, we are looking for a higher low or a lower high. So today is Thursday. There's one more day to the week, so we will have to wait for the weekly candle to close before we reach a buy. So 8 is not sure. Now going to the daily time frame, the bias was bullish. It is still bullish because this is a low and this is another low that has been created. It has been respected. Going to the 4-hour time frame, it was bearish and that bearish bias has been invalidated. This was the so why was it bearish? Because this was a swing high and this was a lower swing high, and now that lower swing high has been invalidated. So now it is not sure. It is not bullish, it is not sure. When does it become bullish? When it creates a low that is higher than the previous low. That's when I would say it is bullish. It is a very late inference, but I would prefer to have that late inference rather than jump into trades. Going into the hourly time frame. In the hourly time frame, Nifty is bullish because you see this is a swing low and then here it has created a swing low in the last couple of hours. So it has created a higher swing low. So it is bullish. And if it continues with the bullish trend on the hourly time frame, then the target is 26,236. Let me just give it a thinner line. Yes, so this is the target if Nifty decides to continue with the bullish trend. Now the daily time frame, on a daily time frame it is bullish, on a monthly time frame it is bullish, and on an hourly time frame it is bullish. In the interim, 4-hour and weekly is not sure. So apparently Nifty is tending to lean on a bullish side. So I'm not sure until Nifty tells me exactly where it's going. I would not make inferences and I might not take trades. That's all for today. Wish you all like truckloads of happiness on 2026, a profitable year, and I hope you all make lots of money. That's all from my side. Once again, I'm not a certified analyst, and whatever I'm talking to you here is just for educational purpose. Thank you and Happy New Year.